Hello everyone, how are you? I am Deepthi and I welcome you to the fourth episode of Science Chat. Here comes PU. Really? When you were eating peanuts yesterday, you thought about the concept of atom and nucleus. Great. Now let's take the story of atom further. Yesterday you got to know that an atom contains protons, neutrons and electrons. Now, the number of protons in an atom is its atomic number. For example, an atom of hydrogen contains one proton, so its atomic number is 1. If I tell you that atom of carbon contains 6 protons, what will it be its atomic number? Correct, 6. And then if I tell you that atomic number of oxygen is 8, that means how many number of protons does it contain? Correct, 8. Isn't it straightforward? Alright, before we proceed to the next concept, let me give you a glass of H2O to drink. Don't look so worried. H2O is a chemical name for water, a plain water. Let me give you a hint. H means hydrogen. O stands for oxygen. Now, can you tell me what is H2O? Correct. Two atoms of hydrogen are coming together with one atom of oxygen, forming H2O molecule. Can you tell me now what a molecule must be? Very good. When two or more atoms come together, they form a molecule. Piyu, did you just realize what happened? You defined molecule on your own without mugging it up, simply because you understood the concept. Everyone, we have to learn science in the same manner. You have to understand the concept and then the definition will come out on its own. You don't have to mug it up. So what did you all learn today? Correct. Atomic number is the number of protons in an atom. For example, hydrogen atom contains one proton, so its atomic number is 1. Oxygen atom contains 8 protons, so its atomic number is 8. When two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen come together, they form a molecule called H2O, which is water. So, a molecule is formed when two or more atoms come together. Isn't it easy? Great. So now we'll take the story further in our next episode, that is 5th episode. It will be again on the same YouTube channel DS or on the Facebook page D Creations. Those of you who have friends who don't know English but want to learn science, you can tune into my Marathi science chat titled Vignan Gappa on the same YouTube channel DS or on the same Facebook page D Creations. Alright then, till next time, take care and bye bye. See you.